Chicken schnitzel is everybody's favorite. And what can you serve with chicken schnitzel? Chips, vegetables and salad, or have it in a burger. Chicken schnitzel is the most popular food in the world. Now who can resist a chicken schnitzel when it's so easy to make? All you've got to do is have some good quality chicken breast fillets, ladies and gentlemen. Have your breading station like your breadcrumbs and your egg and your milk, and have good quality eggs too, ladies and gentlemen. And what you've got to do is make sure that you buy good quality chicken breast fillets, okay? And you cannot use chicken that is off, okay? Because you know why? Because it will make you pretty sick. Now, chicken should be cooked properly and you should really cook it all the way through. Because eating raw chicken schnitzel, ladies and gentlemen, no good at all. You've got to make sure your chicken schnitzel is cooked all the way through, not half cooked. Okay, have you ever had chicken schnitzel for dinner? I certainly have, and that's what I am having tonight here at the house with some veggies in a wrap. I can't wait to have my chicken schnitzel and my mouth watering, just telling you viewers about it right now. What is chicken schnitzel? I'm hearing you viewers ask out there. Well, chicken schnitzel is like chicken that is coated in a breadcrumb mixture. You fry it and then you serve it with some chips, vegetables, or salad. And you can even have leftover chicken schnitzel for lunch the next day. Mmm. How good would that taste with a nice gravy over the top of it? Chicken schnitzel is better when you make it at home because you know what's going in there. You know what ingredients you are putting in there. So it's better than buying takeaway chicken schnitzel. Don't you think so? Well, chicken schnitzel you can buy at the club with some chips and salad or anything or anywhere like that. You can have chicken schnitzel on a wrap with some melted cheese over the top or chicken cordon bleu. Now that's chicken cooked with some ham and cheese, and you cook that and then let the cheese melt. Have you ever had chicken cordon bleu? Well, I certainly have, but without the cheese. Anyway, back to the chicken schnitzel, ladies and gentlemen. Why not get the kids involved these school holidays and make some chicken schnitzel for dinner and serve with some chips and some salad and perhaps garlic bread. You can even take leftover chicken schnitzel on a picnic with some good bread rolls and some homemade salad. A homemade pasta salad would go well with some chicken schnitzel and perhaps some wholemeal bread rolls or seeded bread rolls if you've got them. So chicken schnitzel, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot go wrong. Chicken schnitzel is so easy and quick to prepare. If you haven't got time to beat eggs or add milk, you can just go to the supermarket and buy chicken schnitzel and cook it in a non-stick frying pan, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you eat chicken schnitzel pretty much as soon as you cook it, because if you leave chicken for too long, it will be off and it will be no good in a couple of days. So you really have to be careful of the chicken, ladies and gentlemen, because otherwise, if you eat chicken schnitzel that has gone off, it is no good. Any leftover chicken that is off, you must throw it away straight away. Do not eat it and do not use any out of date chicken. You must use chicken that is in date or cooked in date chicken, and make sure that you wash the chicken thoroughly inside and out if you are roasting a chicken. So you have to be very careful with chicken schnitzel. Do not leave it out in the sun to draw because it will go off very quickly during the hot days. And eating off chicken, as I've said, it can make you very sick and you could end up with very nasty food poisoning, I can tell you that. And you will end up somewhere very unpleasant for most of the night. So I am off now to have my chicken schnitzel, and I will catch up with you sometime over the weekend or tonight with my upsider. So you go and have a good dinner, everybody, and I'll catch you later. And thank you for listening to this report about chicken schnitzel. I'm Barry Fair. I'll catch you later.